Well, in response to the harsh criticism and intense pressure, the Kenyatta National Hospital is set to beef up security in the hospital. In a statement sent to newsrooms, the Board of Management says the hospital will comply with investigations being conducted by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations over the rape allegations.
KNH will also carry out internal investigations to ascertain the claims, among other improvements to the handling of the lactating mothers. There have been also questions as to why the lactating mothers have to be separated from the infants. According to the hospital, the separation is meant to offer the infants ICU services and control the infections as well.
There are, however, considerations of moving the breastfeeding mothers closer to the newborn unit for convenience, and the hospital management is also calling on anyone who may have witnessed the horrifying ordeal that some of the breastfeeding mothers went through to come forth and assist the police with the investigations.